Hi friends, wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year 2021. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Get Creative with Paulami. Today I'm back with another video where I'll show you how to create some DIY gift items which I'm planning to give to my friends, families and neighbors. And these are gift items under $5. You can personalize them and give it to them along with other gifts which you generally give them. So for that I've got some Dollar Tree stuff. I've got these wooden round circles. I've got some wooden trays, and this is a $1 candle. So these are the things I'll be using. Apart from that, for paint, I'm going to use a white chalk paint, and I could have used a brown chalk paint, but I already had wood stain which I'll be using. Along with that, for decoration purpose, I've got the ornaments, and I'll be using them. I've got the florals, all from Dollar Tree, each $1, and some stickers and some ribbons. So let's start. So the first item I'm making is a floral candle stand. For that I'm using this tray, and first I would take the wooden stain and stain this. You can use any tissue paper, brush, cotton balls, anything. Sorry, just to mention, some of the ornaments and florals are from Walmart. So after I've used the wood stain, you can see the look. It is quite distressed and gives an antique feeling. Now I'm gluing some florals to the back side of this tray, and I'm using both Elmer's glue and hot glue so that it is pretty strengthy. It doesn't come out easily. And again, after the greens, I'm putting some reds, berries, frosted berries, and some normal berries. Using my hot glue and the jute cord, I'll go over the middle portion of it and wrap it around for a couple of times, and that is how it looks like. Gluing the ornament in front of the tray. Now finally placing the glass tumblers. So this is our first DIY, the candle holder, and I'll use some LED tea light candle for this decor. Hope you like it, and let's move on to the second one. So for the second DIY, we have a wooden tray from Dollar Tree, and using the wood stain, just rubbing in for the same antique look. After this, I'll use some ornaments and florals from Walmart and would glue them to the utility tray with hot glue. I will fill this tray with candies and gift it. Our second DIY, the utility tray filled with candies, and I'll present this to my friend's son. When the candies are finished, they can use this tray for any other purpose. I think this is gorgeous. For the last DIY, I'm using the candle and a wooden circle. I am gluing the burlap ribbon first to the candle to decorate it. Now staining the wooden circle and using a different ribbon on top of the burlap ribbon. First I'll glue the candle on top of the wooden circle, and then with hot glue I would glue all the ornaments and florals from Walmart to decorate the candle. The DIYs we created today are so easy and beautiful. If you go and try to buy them from any shop or any furniture shop like Pottery Barn, these are really expensive, but you can do it yourself within $5 for gift purpose or for decoration purpose for your own house. So that's our third DIY, the decorated candle. So these are all the DIYs we created. Let me know in the comment section which one is your favorite, and please subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to like, share, hit the bell icon for future videos. Thanks for watching. Happy holidays. Till my next video. Stay safe. Bye.